Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Support. So in the previous video, I have tested you to configure Spring security for the default and for the in-memory application. So in this video, I have authentication with the login form for the username and password, and with the file with the Thymeleaf Template Engine, and but also we also use for the in-memory application, and we solve the problem about Spring security without the web security configure adapter for the playlist about e-commerce Spring Boot. And firstly, come back to the form.html file. So because we're using the Thymeleaf Template Engine, and we must add the dependency Thymeleaf. So firstly, we go to Spring in this slide, and we choose the Marvin project, and the dependency Thymeleaf Template Engine, and we click to explore. After that, we can see the dependency has been displayed, and we copy dependency and we paste to the form.html file. And another is we go to Marvin repository and click to search. Here, click to the Marvin repository.com and we search Thymeleaf and click to Thymeleaf and choose the version is 3.1.1 delete, and we click here to copy the dependency and also paste in the form.html file. After that, we click to lost Marvin check. Here then you click to the lost on project, click to generate source and update folder for all project, click to load source and document, and here because we use login for the template engine, so I have prepared the template login, and here you can see template login line here, and I will use the template for the login, username and password. So firstly, I will copy the template here, paste to template file for template folder, and I will change the name is login. Also, we copy the CSS file and paste to static folder. So I think login CSS. After that, so then we will config for the config for the Spring security. So for the config Spring security, first you must add another annotation enable web security, and so we will change here. So I will delete, we will config again, but we also keep some config about application manager for the utility manager and password encoder, because we also use it for the login with username and password. So firstly, we will config here. So http authorize request, and for the request make sure here was admin as star and add row admin and record matcher user star add row user and does any request does authenticated and so we call for the login form, so we can log in form login, and for the login page at here we can pass the URL here for login. So now I will first new the controller. Here is home controller. So after that we use annotation in controller here, and we also the URL is login. Here public string login, and we return login here. So we for the controller use for the Thymeleaf, and for the URL here is login. After click to login, and then we open the login template here for the login, and for the login processing URL here is I think here is site, and for the default success URL here is for the home, and always use equal true because we always use zip pass for the success authenticated, and we also permit on to the access to the login page, and for the logout login, so we must go to logout and invalid HTTP section equal true, and we also delete cookie must name the session ID, and we clear authentication. After logout we clear to authentication, and we log out request matcher equal new, pass new and pass request matcher here for the logout, and for the logout success URL equal login, because after we log out and then we return to the login page, and the parameter is logout, and here and here, so I think, and so for the C we call plus invisible, and authentication manager equal authentication manager method here, and HTTP basics here. So for the login we also must import the Thymeleaf here. So we go to the Thymeleaf Thymeleaf official page. Here we will copy the site, the website of Thymeleaf here, and we paste it here is XMLNSTS equal here. So for the link with the style, we must use the ts href. Here we also use a Thymeleaf, and here does login does cds. So after that, we from the form here, ts action equal here sign in at here is the same with the page login processing OM here, and method at here is post, and after that here we must the property is name equal username, and for the password here is the name password, and after that we also comment some like code temporary. So at here, so from the button here we type submit, and as new the team file is home here, and at the home here as new the p tag welcome to my page here. And now I think I paste the dependency of Thymeleaf. So now we will run the project at here. We run project. So now we run, and close some tab, localhost 8080 login. So you can see here this login page also have been displayed, and I will check for the link with the login file. So I will firstly reload project and download source and document. So I have forgot another bin for the web customizer. Here we use another bin to public web security customizer. Web security customizer here. So we return webs on the webs plus ignore. We must ignore request matcher here for the CSS custom and JS custom. So I think we also use here. So firstly we will restart project. So now I will delete. So you can see the login template has been displayed here, but also you can see for the username is admin and the word is 1 2 3 4 5 and user 1 2 3 4 5. So now I will log in with the page here. So firstly in the home controller here for the default success URL for the page is home, and I will first new the page is home public string home. We return the home page here. Now but if you don't go to the home first bit 1 2 3 4 5, you can see no page because after we sign in we cannot find the home. But I will restart project. And now you can see us with 1 2 3 4 5. So I will sign home page here. Home true. So I think because in the web it's not customized, I will change for the select file here, for the select file here, and for the JS .star, so I will first new folder is CDF. I will move the login.cdf file to the folder CDF, and here so I will zero update and download. So now I will restart project. So now I will restart project here. First mean 1 2 3 4 5. So you can see welcome to my page. Here I have a successful authenticator here, and so I will add new. So you can see that we have used the same time with the REST controller for the REST API and home controller for the controller with the Thymeleaf. But also we can use with the same time. And so now I will add new in the home here for the A tab here, ts graph equal first bit. So I will check for the here first bit does manage here first bit does manage for first bit paste here and copy here for the user paste user here user controller here user does get here and another tab for the logout. Logout here, we also go to login page. For the logout. Here. So I will restart project. So now we will here. So I think I just new from right here. Yeah. Restart. So you can see for the admin, for the user, and for logout. But I will log in again. Admin and then logout. I log in. Is successful. For the admin page here, you can see hello admin. Admin dash manage. Click again. Click to logout, and then you can see I have returned to the login page. I log in again, and I go to user page. You can see for the user page, you can see that forbidden. You cannot write to access to the user because you have wrong admin, and we have config user. We have role user for the user path for the role user and admin path for the role admins. But now we will customize for the asset denied. First, I think I new identify for the forbidden lost. Yeah. So I think for 03 for the code for the forbidden, I will use the zip name for the forbidden page here. So I will use this tag if you don't have a reason to access this page here. And for the forbidden here, I will just leave the path 303 403 public string for this link here. We return 303 403 space, and also for the spring config we can just new access deny. So exception we must, because the forbidden is an exception, and it's again a new config for the exception handling dot access deny page here. We can just here close this page here, and now I will restart project. So now you can see here I will go to the login page here, login again, because I log in with the admin account and I go to admin page, it always succeeds. But I go to the user page. You can see you don't have permission to access this page, and then I will log in with the user account, user one. The password is the same here, user one, and yeah, and I will click to login. is successful. I go to the user here, hello, admin, user one. So I will change for the admin, hello, well, come to admin page with account with username here, and for the user, welcome to user page with username here. I will restart again. And now here click go to authenticated with the user account here on user page. Welcome to user page here, and click to for the admin page. You don't have permission. And now access with the admin account. For the admin page, welcome to admin page with username admin, and for the user here. So you can see I have config. We must config for the web ignore, for the static, for the ZN, and for the login ZN to access to the server, and for the login, form login and logout, and you can clear the section and logout success well. So I have config for the login and logout. So and for the access denied, for forbidden, but you also use the same with the REST API and REST API, and also you with the controller for the path. And if you have any question, and you can comment, and I will support to you. And you have any errors, I will support. And I hope you can get more knowledge about spring security. So the more beautiful configuration about spring security will come in the next video. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.